In the quiet shadows of a forgotten barn, where time itself seems to have stalled, a legend lies dormant. Sunlight pierces through aged wooden planks, illuminating dust motes dancing in the still air. The camera moves with a reverent slowness, gliding across hay bales and rusted farm tools, finally settling on a silhouette draped in a heavy, worn canvas. There's a story here, a ghost of an era of audacious design and untamed power. With a gentle pull, the cover is drawn back, revealing not a machine, but a relic. A classic Lamborghini, once the pinnacle of automotive desire, now rests in a state of decay. Close-ups capture the heartbreaking details. The once vibrant paint, now a faded, peeling memory. Rust blooming like a dark flower across its iconic lines. The supple leather of its interior cracked and brittle, and its proud emblems tarnished and obscured by years of neglect. Its tires are flat, its spirit seemingly broken. It's a sleeping giant, waiting for a second chance at glory. The journey from ruin to resurrection begins. This is not just a repair, it is a meticulous rebirth, a symphony of dedication and craftsmanship. A fast-paced montage captures the essence of this transformation. We see the Lamborghini, once a single entity, now carefully disassembled, each component treated with the reverence it deserves. The body, stripped of its faded glory, is taken down to bare metal. Skilled hands glide over its curves, sanding away the imperfections of time, preparing the canvas for a new coat of life. Elsewhere, engineers, like surgeons, delicately rebuild the heart of the beast, the V12 engine. Each piston, each valve, is cleaned, measured, and restored to its original specification. The chassis, the very skeleton of the legend, is meticulously repainted, gleaming under the workshop lights. A mesmerizing time-lapse follows, showing the car being reassembled piece by piece. The suspension, the wiring, the interior, every element is brought back together with painstaking precision, a complex puzzle of steel, leather, and passion. The moment of truth arrives, a culmination of countless hours of labor and unwavering passion. The final, gleaming emblem, polished to a mirror shine, is carefully placed on the freshly painted body, a crown for a reborn king. The camera focuses on the pristine interior, the rich scent of new leather palpable. A hand, steady and deliberate, inserts a key into the ignition. A profound silence hangs in the air, a breath held in anticipation. Then, with a turn of the wrist, the silence is shattered. The engine erupts into a thunderous roar, a sound that is both a war cry and a song of life. It's a powerful, clear, and unapologetic symphony of combustion. A close-up on the exhaust captures the raw power as it expels the last vestiges of its long slumber. The beast is awake. The legacy is restored. The Lamborghini is no longer a forgotten relic, but a breathtaking masterpiece, revealed in all its glory within a pristine modern garage. Its polished body reflects the world around it like a liquid mirror. The setting sun casts a golden glow as the car emerges, its engine purring with a confident hum. It glides onto a scenic coastal road, a ribbon of asphalt winding between cliffs and the sparkling sea. It moves with a grace and power that defies its age, a testament to the enduring spirit of its creators and the skill of its restorers. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, the Lamborghini accelerates. A final, epic shot captures its iconic form, speeding off into the distance, a vibrant streak of color and sound against the fading light, its legend not just restored, but roaring into the future.